Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy versus Ipsy, Glam Bag versus Glam Bag for June. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so both of my little sisters just arrived on the same day, which I don't think has ever happened. So I'm so glad to be able to bring both of these to you guys so we can see one profile versus the other profile and see what we got. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. You guys, I absolutely love my Ipsy, the Plus and the Glam Bag. If you guys do not know about Ipsy Glam Bag, this one is $10 a month. If you order an entire year at one time, you get 1 month free, so it's only $110. And they go by profile, and I really love that. So one of my bags I have set to my exact profile, what I like, what I don't like, and the other one I have open to anything and everything, because if it's something that I'm not comfortable with, I save for you guys. So it's a win-win for me either way. So let's go ahead and get in here, and the first one I have is a blue. They're doing a Tetris theme. We're bringing it back to the old school because I'm an old fool who's so cool. Like, I love that they're bringing in Tetris. I just kind of wish that they did a little bit better with the design, but I love that they're bringing back Tetris because it's bringing me back to my childhood, and I still will play Tetris. I mean, I love Tetris. So here it is, and it says Tetris Ruts on the, oh, that side says Ipsy. I lied. This side says Tetris. So one side is all blue, one side is a different variation of blue, and blue is my favorite color. Now this one is my normal profile. So let's go ahead and see, make sure, sometimes there's extra items in the bag. Nope, not this month. So let's go ahead and get in here and see. Now what I do really like is, ooh, and it's all pink inside, and it says Tetris and Ipsy logos are in there. That's really pretty. Okay, so now what I do like is in the bag, they're actually putting in a card, and it tells you what you get, and they never used to do that before. It doesn't tell you pricing because a lot of them are sample sizes, or you get a full size if it's like a lip gloss or a lipstick or a brush or something like that. Sometimes you get a really cool highlighter or a blush and that kind of thing, eyeliner, mascara, anything other than that wouldn't be really a full size. It would be a sample, which is an amazing way to try out new products. So I will never complain about my $10 Ipsy bag. You get a bag every month, and it's always themed, so it's always different. And I get 2 every month now currently, so I set one aside for future giveaways, or I could always put it in my donation pile to donate to the women's shelter at the end of the year, like I did last year. So I like how they do go over the products, like I just said. So let's go ahead and see what this month brings us. So right on top I see is this product. It says Sugar, and on the back it says Contour de Force Mini Highlighter. Ooh, and I'm actually starting to really enjoy highlighters now, you guys. And I never would have said that a year ago. There we go. I was trying to not cover this chick's face and ended up dropping it. Okay, so ooh, all right. So here is the highlighter right there. Let me go ahead and swatch this on the top of my hand so we can see. Ooh, that is very creamy. I just put it right there. It is very creamy. I think that is really cool because it's not like the electrifying, but it's just enough sparkle. Here, I don't have my brush on me, so let's just do this little number. You see it already? See, I like the ones that are just subtle, and then sometimes I like the ones where it's like, bam, here I am. How you like me now? So that's fine. There we go. You see that? Do you see what I see? Okay, so we have a highlighter, and again, that is by the brand Sugar. So there's item number 1. That's an Indian-based brand, believes in products that help express your unique beauty. This champagne gold highlighter is richly pigmented, lightweight, and will enhance your natural complexion and give you a subtle glow or an all-over radiance. I like it. Okay, so number 2, we have a Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser, 1 drop for glow skin. Ooh, Tony Moly. That is a good brand. So this right here says, we've developed an addiction to K-beauty brands like Tony Moly's line of high quality and super fun products. This gentle jelly cleanser is infused with a multivitamin blend to dissolve makeup, dirt, and other impurities while leaving your skin softer, brighter, and hydrated. There is a safety seal. So let me just take that off so we can see if it has a scent. That's what I'm trying to say. It has a citrusy scent. Oh, I'm like squeezing. There comes a little. So it's like just clear. There's not a whole lot, obviously it's like half full because I had to squeeze a lot just to get a little bit of a product. It has a nice clean citrusy scent to it, so that'll be nice. I can't wait to try that out. I love any type of cleanser, especially if it works. So yeah. Okay, next we have is Glow for a Cause Lip Love Flirt. There's that guy right there. This is a lip balm in Flirt. So Flirt is the color. And if I can get this off, I can show you. When in doubt, just rip it out. So it is a light pinkish color. What scent is that? It has some kind of a scent to it. I can't picture what that scent is, but okay, we got a lip balm. I can't really tell. It's very lightly scented, so it's not like something I can just put my finger on. But, oh, it says, plus the light watermelon scent is so refreshing for summer. So it's supposed to be a light, refreshing watermelon scent. I was getting something fruity, but not really a watermelon, but that's cool. So then next we have is a Benefit Give Me Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Look at that little cute packaging right there. This says Natural Deep Brown. Let's see what it looks like. This is the cutest little sample. Look how cute and tiny. Like, okay, what are you gonna do with this? It's so cute, look. It has a little tiny wand on it, and it's a dark brown. I think I have one of these, so I don't want to swatch it or anything because I think I have a full size in my brow drawer that I don't use. So I'm gonna check, and if I do, then I'll stick this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to try out. But that's a really cute little package. The last item in this one is a Tetris Ipsy lip gloss. So that's cool. So the plus size, I got the Tetris palette, which I've even told you guys, to me, there was only, I think, 6 shades. They could have put at least 2 to 4 more in there, or designed it better to where they're like little Tetris pieces to make it more fun. They had room for improvement. So I was a little disappointed on the palette, but what can we do? That's the part of getting mystery bags. Ooh, and I like that this is a clear, like just a shimmer. That is really pretty. So here's a Tetris lip gloss. Let me take this, sorry, little chapstick, but I want this one instead. It has a light, like, kind of like a nutmeg cake batter type of a scent. So that's really cool. I like that it's a clear and I didn't get like a bright color or a dark color because I'm not into a whole lot of colors, if you guys follow me. So I'm really glad that this is the one that I chose, and blue is my favorite color and it matches my blue bag. So I'm really, really excited. So this is everything that is in this bag. And again, this one is tailored just for my profile. So let's go ahead and get into the one that is not tailored for my profile. This one should have my add-on in it then, because I did do an add-on. Ooh, and that's so cool. I got a different colored bag. This one's a purple and pink color. So that is really cool. So we have 2 different designs on the bags, totally different, not just colors, like the whole design is actually a little different. And I do have some things that are outside, and here is my add-on. So I'll show you guys that in a second. And there's some stuff kind of falling out, so I really hope it's not broken. Okay, so the items that are right on the outside is a pharmacy hydrating and brightening coconut gel sheet mask. I don't know, I might have to put that one in a giveaway. Coconut gel sheet mask, both of them, these both might go in giveaways. I don't really like the scent of coconut. I'm kind of starting to get used to it a little bit more, especially like the coconut and like mango and just like the fruitier like tropical scent. So I'm starting to get used to the smell more. So maybe I'll just use these, but I definitely don't like the taste of coconut, and I'm not going to be eating them. So I'll probably go ahead and try them. We'll see. So what, ooh, did not notice. Okay, so that's why I didn't notice. See, this little pull tab is just a little standard pull tab. It's an actual Tetris piece. And then this one is a T. Look, T for Tracy. This is another Tetris piece. See, this is what I'm saying. The palette should have had them shaped. The eyeshadow should have been shaped like this. Then it would have been a whole lot better. It would have stepped up their game 120% if they would have just made it a little bit more unique than just every other standard palette inside. But that's cool that at least they did step up their game on their bags. That's really cool. So it says Ipsy and it says Tetris. The inside is exactly the same pink. So let's get inside. If I can get it all out. Okay, and again, here is the card that goes over all of my items. Oh, I do see a duplicate, and that is right here. So this glow chapstick will go in a future giveaway for one of you guys because I don't need 2. As much as I love me some lip balm, I have an overload going on right now. Okay, so the next one says, I am trash. I'm not trash, but this is trash, I guess. I am trash. This looks like a perfume. This is Don't Be Fooled by Its Name. Okay, thank you. This fragrance might be made with upcycled apple essence, bitter orange, strawberry, rose absolute, and cedarwood. What? But it smells insanely fresh, and we love this brand's attitude and overall cool vibe. Don't rub your wrists together after spritzing. It breaks down the scent and won't last as long. Oh, I never knew that. I always do that. I always rub them together. Let's see what this trash smells like, you guys. Don't rub them together. Ew. I'm sorry, but I don't like that scent. It smells like a man or something. I mean, is this for men? Because this isn't mine, so I don't know. I don't like that scent. Not for me anyway. Not at all. I don't think so. I do not think so. I'm not smelling all these bitter orange, upcycle, apple. It doesn't smell good to me, you guys. I don't really like that scent, to be quite honest. Which I'm always going to be honest with you guys. So there's a stinky perfume. Next we have is a Jonte Blue. I don't know how you say that. Art Makeup Liquid Eyeliner, 24-hour. And I have so many of these, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway for one of you guys because I have so many open that I don't use. I would hate to open this, to swatch it, to let it sit. I would rather somebody use it. But this is a felt tip eyeliner pencil in black. So there's that, which I love eyeliner. Just I normally use the cream like gel, not the liquid, but it's just all personal preference. And then the last item in here is a Tetris lip gloss in Matrix. So let's see, is this a different color? Nope, this is the same exact color. Yeah, these are exactly the same. This is the one that I already swatched, so I'll put that back where it was. This one will go in a future giveaway then for one of you guys because I don't need to. And that's why I do the 2 different profiles, you guys, because then I get more items to give back to you guys, which I love doing. So that is everything that is in my second bag, which is the 2 face masks, which I love. The chapstick, which I normally would really love, but I already got one. The eyeliner, which will go to one of you guys. And the the liquid lip gloss. So that bag, all I'm going to be doing is keeping the 2 masks. And then here is my added item that I bought as an add-on, because I do have one Smashbox cover shot, but it's called Punked, and I love that. Before I started using my IBY palette like every day, that's the one that I was using every day. So this one is Cover Shot Prism Eye Palette, and when I saw it, I'm like, I've got to try it because I really, really, really love the other one. So let's see here. Cool. It is definitely not broken, and I think this is really pretty. Look, there's the colors. One's called Rocket Star, and I started singing in my head, Rocket Man. Songs pop in my head all the time, you guys, because I listen to a lot of music. But there's that, and I'm actually really, really excited. Let me go ahead and, if you guys are even interested, let me just swatch these really quick, so hold on. Okay, you guys, so there is the entire palette. I really like all these little iridescent, especially this one right here. That one is really, really pretty. That one is this one that looks like white iridescent. That color looks really, really pretty. But there is the entire palette for the Smashbox one, and I can see me doing a complete look with it. Some of these, like the lighter colors for my lower lid, this for my crease, and then that for my corner. So I'm actually excited to try this. I really am. I really like that. So this was my add-on that I paid for in addition, and that is everything that I have for you guys today. So yeah, that is everything that I have. So let me know, which bag did you think was better? I'm gonna call this blue bag, which was my normal profile with the highlighter and the jelly cleanser, or did you like the one with the masks and the eyeliner and the purple bag? Let me know, you guys, which one you like better. And again, these are my 2. They're $10 each. I will never complain about my Ipsy. You get free shipping, you get a makeup bag, and you get normally 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you get 5 sample to deluxe sample and sometimes full-size items that are in there. Oh, this thing though, I did not really care for. This was the worst item to me, but I'm really excited about that highlighter, and I'm really excited about the Tetris lip gloss. I'm glad to have that because that goes with my, I thought for one of them I was getting a Tetris brush, but I guess not. I must have read something wrong or saw something wrong, or I have no clue. But I got the Tetris lip gloss in both of them. I've been trying not to look at my spoilers, but I can't help myself. So that is everything, you guys. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And then you can see all my other future videos that I will upload. I try to do one every day as long as I can. If I have a video, I try to load one every morning for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys are going to be having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Yeah, so until next time, you guys, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.